Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to save view one's photos on WhatsApp. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all I'm just gonna go to WhatsApp, and here for example if I send a photo from here, like this photo right here, and if I just click on this one icon above the send arrow button, it will send this photo as a view once photo. And if someone sends you a view once photo, you cannot really screenshot it guys or save it because it's illegal. And if you try taking a screenshot of this on an iPhone or Android device, or if you just try screen recording it, it will show as blank. So yeah guys, there are some illegal ways to do it, but I wouldn't suggest you guys to do it because it's illegal. So yeah guys, you cannot really legally save your photos or videos that are view once on WhatsApp. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.